everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E detalhado sobre o vídeo do Starboard, curar niveles e outras funções.
3% लोगों ने ही मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara
皆
mengatur
さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法。
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! Discord is giving away another 700 orbs from their sponsorship with Warthunder. This is a very different, so I want you guys to stick till the end and don't skip anything. But before we start, only 6% of you guys have subscribed to my channel. Let's increase the percent because my channel is the only one that gives you timely and proper information about Discord Nitro and how to claim it. This is a very different type of orbs. You can't just watch a video here. To claim it, you need to first download Discord app on your PC because it doesn't work on phone. After that, you need to download Warthunder game on your PC. This game is multiplayer, so you can play with your friends. It has war-like vibe going with battleships, choppers, planes, and tanks and all. It's available for both on PC and consoles like Xbox and PS5. After downloading the game, click Accept Quest on your Discord PC app and play the game for at least 15 minutes. Discord PC app will track your progress and in the end, it will give you 700 orbs. After getting 700 orbs, you can buy anything from the Orbs exclusive shop, like avatar and profile effects and name card effects. I wouldn't recommend you to buy Nitro and badges as they are worthless. And if you want free server decors and layouts, you can join my Discord server. You can even join us for making friends. It's easy to join. Just find the invite link in the video's description. Sometimes we also do Nitro giveaway. I wish I could download the game, but my PC is potato so I can't. But if you wish to, you can. That being said, I've tried my best to educate you on this one. If you love the video, hit the like and subscribe button and join my Discord server now.